Where do I even start? This is what happens when you finish a project and don't reset, and I can't start the next build like this. This isn't just a tidy up, it's a full reset. Look at this. Look at this place. Oh, this workshop's a mess. Okay, let's go. Let's build something. Wow, it's been a while since I've stood here with this bench clean and tidy like this. This is the Deep Planet, and join me and follow along my journey as I put together this bike. The goal is to build it with as little expense as possible and ultimately perhaps create a stunt bike. See you in the next one.